Today I'm going to put a attachment in front of my tractor. It's a Kubota m8200, and I bought a quick hitch from MDS Manufacturing, and I'll show you what I bought. Well, that's the way it came in on the pallet. The pallet could have been a little bit longer, but it worked. And it is the model number Kubota 1251. And that's what it's going to go on. Kubota m8200. So what you're going to do is you're going to reuse your old pins that you had in your bucket. Slide right in. Nice, that's it. Everything is installed. It went on super easy. And again, it's made by MDS Manufacturing. It's called a Unitach, model 1251. And it's mounted to a Kubota m8200 2005 model with the Kubota loader LA1251. And I think you guys will like it. So if you need any skid steer attachments, this is the way to go. Alright, so that's it. I'd like to thank Kevin at MDS. There's a couple different models for this loader, so we went back and forth on drawings, and we've got the right one. So Kevin, thank you very much. You made a great product. That's it. Thank you.